Guys, today I'm going to eat an Ilocano breakfast feast. Now, why I'm telling? Because mostly Ilocano people, the way they are eating on the breakfast, like this one. I will show you what is the exact food I'm going to eat. First, this one is onion, tomato, and that's all. Just fresh one they put, and the bagoong, right? See this one. And then see here, bagoong they put, how it is, very fresh, just never cooked, it's normal. And I will show you the other one also. This one is talbos na kamote. You know what? This is sweet potato leaf. This is long beans, I mean French beans, lubias. They will tell. This one, fry fish, just fry fish, tilapia. Okay, everything just boil and then we mix with this salted sauce. Why I'm telling it salted sauce means this is here it is bagoong. Yes, when I come here I taste this one. It is saltiness, and also most of them they tell they can't able to tell the name. Salted sauce. See here they put lime also. And then the main one, soup. It is very hot. I don't know how I will take. Wait. Very hot. My Rosie is helping me. Thank you. See here. You can see the smoke. You know what they put? Small prawns and then tamarind, and they just boil. That's all. I will taste that one. See here. See? You see? Oh, tamarind. Wait, I will show you this one. See? And the tamarind also they put. See? What's that? Tamarind and fresh tamarind. And then this small prawns. I want to taste because this one I can't wait. I like soup. Very tasty. Just no more masala anything. This is the first time I'm eating like this one. First I will keep this one and I will fry with the rice. Okay. Give me. It's okay, I will take it. See. First this lubias. And then little bit kamote. See, you know why I'm taking this one? I don't want to put here suddenly. Just I will dip this one here. See here. You dip, okay, so that you can feel the taste of the bagoong, lime, everything. And then the main fresh, something like a salad. You can also say it like that. Okay, little bit. I will keep some for my see. See here. See. First I will mix the kamote and then rice. One by one I will taste. Tell you. The first one touch inside the mouth when I put itself the lime. First I taste and then the salted sauce. See, this one just they boil. So for that you can mix in this one. If you want you can add the rice. I want to taste it like this. So dipping. Very tasty. This one is exactly very healthy, and also when you dip this one and if you eat this one, it's an amazing taste. The lime and this lubias mixed together to feel the exact freshness taste. Tasty. You want me to eat the fry fish? She always like that only because fish. Sometimes I'm scared. You know why? Bone. From small itself, I'm very much scared. That's why. I don't want to taste this one sometimes with this one because I feel the first taste of the fish. After that, I will dip. So much noisy, sorry. I will eat with the rice. Good. Okay, guys. All of this is exactly very tasty. And the main one, it's okay, a little bit. The soup is extraordinary. This is very fresh, healthy. Ilocano people like this way to eat, and also I admire them how they eat, and that's why they are healthy. And now I'm also practice to eat this one. Okay, guys, I have to finish up all this food, and I will show you another video, food videos and cooking or something. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and comment below. God bless everyone. Bye.